Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll compare two popular air fryers in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. The Secura Air Fryer is priced at $56, while the air fryer is priced at $79. So, if you're on a budget, the Secura Air Fryer might be a better option for you. The Secura Air Fryer is larger, with a 5.3-quart basket, while the air fryer has a 4-quart capacity. If you have a larger family or like to entertain, the Secura Air Fryer might be the better choice. Both air fryers use rapid air circulation technology to cook food with little to no oil. However, the air fryer has an advantage with its Thermo IQ technology, which prevents undercooked or burnt food by regulating temperature fluctuations. So, if you value evenly cooked meals every time, the air fryer might be the way to go. The air fryer comes with 9 preset modes, while the Secura Air Fryer has adjustable temperature settings. If you're looking for convenience and simplicity, the air fryer might be the better option. But if you like to customize your cooking experience, the Secura Air Fryer might be the way to go. The Secura Air Fryer comes with bonus accessories and a collection of air fryer recipes to get you started. The air fryer doesn't come with any bonus accessories. If you're looking for extra value and inspiration, the Secura Air Fryer is the way to go. And that's a wrap. Both the Secura Air Fryer and air fryer have their unique features and advantages. It really depends on your personal preferences and needs. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one.